Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Move. Tell them a UK with it. Tell them a UK with it. Fool come a screw, cup a shot, breeze through your face. Yo, what go on? We're back to the UK again for your next UK banger. And you know, it's only a couple people can bring me back to the UK, right? Because I've taken a break from the UK scene, reacting wise. Cause the people just a black me feed them, but me know what go on. But we're there again with Chip G fam, what go on? Krept, legend of the game, legend. Frisco and K-Trap with a song called Tekky. Tekky, T-E-K-K-Y. So we're gonna jump in that one and you ready G them I say, cause you don't know, say Chip him a G. Chip him a G. Shout out Chip. Shit. Anyway, let's go.
Big suit, backstrap, cognac, back that big.
Top your fuckery. Top your fuckery now, Chip. No, but I'm taking my glass, cause Chip, you're not trouble right now. You're not trouble right now. What that me I tell you? Chip, the only thing me blame you for is we need more music. That's it. We need more music. So sort that out for me. Alright? Big up the director, 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Big up yourself, 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿. Baseline.
Big suit, backstrap, cognac, back that big back, grab that, really wanna tap that stick, go.
Oh. Bombo clat. Where's that? Yeah.
Big suit, backstrap, cognac, back that
Yeah.
big back, grab that, really wanna tap that stick, go. Rap, techno, back chat, live from the jungle, 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍.
Stick go, techno, back chat, live from the jungle, what? Wait. Fuck.
Big suit, backstrap, cognac, back that big back, grab that, really wanna tap that stick, go. Rap, techno, back chat, live from the jungle, 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Stop with the west act and the little fast bag, yo, pussy boy, doing something if you're that bad. Left.
Hey, pussy boy. Hey, wall. Hey, wall. Do me something if you're bad. Clat there. What a clat there. Do me something if you're bad.
Suit, backstrap, cognac, back that big back, grab that, really wanna tap that stick, go. Rap, techno, back chat, live from the jungle, 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Stop with the west act and the little fast bag, yo, pussy boy, doing something if you're that bad. Left wrist, see the bust down, no flash fan, penthouse, sweet, rock, cool and relax, that chipmunk.
Bust down. Checky hand. Penthouse suite. What me do? Relax and chill. And watch the pussy them.
Boy, doing something if you're that bad. Left wrist, see the bust down, no flash fan, penthouse, sweet, rock, cool and relax, that chipmunk. Madman, touch my Baghdad. Every day I run up in the booth with the racks at. Let's.
Yo, Chip. Me tell you this already, me tell you again. F off. Yeah. F off. You always do this shit, brother. You forward, you give me a banger, then you just go AWOL again. What, go on, brother? Chip, move your out, man. We need more song, man. Come on, man. Let's go, man. Shit. Yeah.
Big suit, backstrap, cognac, back that big back, grab that, really wanna tap that stick, go. Rap, techno, back chat, live from the jungle, 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Stop with the west act and the little fast bag, yo, pussy boy, doing something if you're that bad. Left wrist, see the bust down, no flash fan, penthouse, sweet, rock, cool and relax, that chipmunk. Madman, touch my Baghdad. Every day I run up in the booth with the racks at. Let's talk UK rap, I'm a dad fam, I go hard, period, pussy, you little contact.
Let's start UK rap. Imawa? What him say, Imawa?
Wrist, see the bust down, no flash fan, penthouse, sweet, rock, cool and relax, that chipmunk. Madman, touch my Baghdad. Every day I run up in the booth with the racks at. Let's talk UK rap, I'm a dad fam, I go hard, period, pussy, you little contact. 1B.
I go hard, period, pussy, like a tampac. Yo! How about this? Yo!
Down, no flash fan, penthouse, sweet, rock, cool and relax, that chipmunk. Madman, touch my Baghdad. Every day I run up in the booth with the racks at. Let's talk UK rap, I'm a dad fam, I go hard, period, pussy, you little contact. 1B, one plan, one mic, one stand. Anything MIC, man a bad man, thinking you can rhyme like me?
Anything MIC, I'm about think you can rhyme. Yo! Some blood clot fire spitting out when I say you to wall I wanna chip. Move your bumbo clot. Hey! Move your bumbo clot. Brother, me not pass 22 seconds yet. Me know some people in the comment section. Stop pausing your mother bumbo clot. Me a pause, cause the song bad. Hit bad. Yeah, man. Let's go.
Baghdad, every day I run up in the booth where the racks at. Let's talk UK rap. I'm a dad fam. I go hard, period, pussy, you little tam pack. One beat, one plan, one mic, one stand. Anything MIC, man, a bad man. Thinking you can rhyme like me? Are you mad fam? Look at all the blood I splurge. I feel like Mad Max. Wait, man, I'm rapping on.
Look at all the blood I spread. I feel like Mad Max. If you don't know what Mad Max is, you know, me not talk about the foreign Mad Max. Check the Jamaican Mad Max in a shatters where kill people for fun. We kill people for fun.
Bad man, thinking you can rhyme like me? Are you mad fam? Look at all the blood I splurge. I feel like Mad Max. Wait, man, I'm rapping on G's back to rapping and snapping. There ain't no capping on beat, man. We're actually rapping up in and packing MC. Ain't a fan of the rappers, the man ain't handling me, man.
Jesus Christ, you hear the G? You hear the G, man?
Thinking you can rhyme like me? Are you mad fam? Look at all the blood I splurge. I feel like Mad Max. Wait, man, I'm rapping on G's back to rapping and snapping. There ain't no capping on beat, man. We're actually rapping up in and packing MC. Ain't a fan of the rappers, the man ain't handling me, man. I bring with the savages, can't act in no street. All the man in my rack, you know they managing a beef.
Yo, these guys are fucking talented, yeah. Like, come on, dog. Like,
fan of the rappers, the man ain't handling me, man. I bring with the savages, can't act in no street. All the man in my rack, you know they managing a beef. Still packing a packet and push packing no tea since backing on free.
Finish him. Yo, let me just say this. The bomber clat, the beat, big up to the beat maker. Another one. Big up to the beat maker.
Heard that one track, heard enough gunshot. Looked at Chippy like he ain't really done that. Dick down a one, yeah. Big batty flam back.
Hear enough gunshot. Him say look on Chippy. Chippy, a pussy I tell lie. Chippy, that pussy I tell lie. Him not do that. We know say him not do that. Him soft like a baby's diaper. Soft. Cotton wool. Soft.
Rack, you know they managing a beef. Still packing a packet and push packing no tea since backing on free. Heard that one track, heard enough gunshot. Looked at Chippy like he ain't really done that. Dick down a one, yeah. Big batty flam back. Fuck that love act. Link man broke that switch flow. Sick mode, Frisco, dick holes, quick throw, pricks no. This bro, it's go.
Yo. I need a break. I can't see it.
That one track, heard enough gunshot. Looked at Chippy like he ain't really done that. Dick down a one, yeah. Big batty flam back. Fuck that love act. Link man broke that switch flow.
Fuck the love thing. Fuck the lovey-dovey thing. She link man, me just block it. Block it back. Yeah. Like a ratchet knife, me block it back.
And push packing no tea since backing on free. Heard that one track, heard enough gunshot. Looked at Chippy like he ain't really done that. Dick down a one, yeah. Big batty flam back. Fuck that love act. Link man broke that switch flow. Sick mode, Frisco, dick holes, quick throw, pricks no. This bro, it's go.
Prick nose, disco. Fuck, man. I can't keep up.
One track, heard enough gunshot. Looked at Chippy like he ain't really done that. Dick down a one, yeah. Big batty flam back. Fuck that love act. Link man broke that switch flow. Sick mode, Frisco, dick holes, quick throw, pricks no. This bro, it's go. Pay the young boy for a chefin'. What else? I bought the dip like crypto.
Frisco, sick flow, it's so grimy, so don't try me. Gets mad when I'm pistol, big though, sick mode, Prezi on wristo, chip no, he will tell you frisk, that's big bro, intro.
First, dig up yourself. He will tell you, he say, yo, chip no, say, he will tell yourself, yo, you see that you there with them frisk? That's big bro right there. That's big bro right there. Don't fuck around.
Pay the young boy for a chefin'. What else? I bought the dip like crypto.
Frisco, sick flow, it's so grimy, so don't try me. Gets mad when I'm pistol, big though, sick mode, Prezi on wristo, chip no, he will tell you frisk, that's big bro, intro. Alright, star 9, carbine, bullet and skin for me, this one of our guys. Drop.
Bumbleclot. You know what a star 9 is? You go do the research for a star 9. I'm not joke. You go do the research for a bumbleclot star 9.
This bro, it's go. Pay the young boy for a chefin'. What else? I bought the dip like crypto.
Frisco, sick flow, it's so grimy, so don't try me. Gets mad when I'm pistol, big though, sick mode, Prezi on wristo, chip no, he will tell you frisk, that's big bro, intro. Alright, star 9, carbine, bullet and skin for me, this one of our guys. Drop.
Bullet in your blood clot kin for you, this one away. Anyone away this, star 9, bullet in your kin.
No, he will tell you frisk, that's big bro, intro. Alright, star 9, carbine, bullet and skin for me, this one of our guys. Drop them far side, their side, our side, archive. Came from the dark side, can't slide around my way. You niggas need balance, I'm baffled. Say you done things that you haven't, nonchalant. Hi, I'm a don, it's apparent we ain't family. I don't know niggas from Adam. I came up round robbers and drug barons. This our man like I was Farron. You want war, that's no challenge. We set trends, no bandwagons. Rise my ting, everything flat.
So yeah, we set trend, no bandwagon, brother. We do our own thing, pussy. We set trend, brother. We was grown up around knackers and drug barons and one bag of thing.
Came from the dark side, can't slide around my way. You niggas need balance, I'm baffled. Say you done things that you haven't, nonchalant. Hi, I'm a don, it's apparent we ain't family. I don't know niggas from Adam. I came up round robbers and drug barons. This our man like I was Farron. You want war, that's no challenge. We set trends, no bandwagons. Rise my ting, everything flat.
K-Chop, let's go. Let's go. K-Chop, you have 3 bad verse before your verse now. Let's go.
Long clip in the 17, walk with the dangles, feel like Teddy. Walking down, get a good angle, then I get Shelly.
Ooh.
See me on TV, I'm still trying to pattern up shirts and telly. If we don't see eye to eye, don't try patch it. I like Nelly, I walk with the
If you don't see eye to eye, so basically, if me and you not agree, brother, if we not deal, don't run in, don't do that something.
Get a good angle, then I get Shelly.
Boom, walk him down, get a good angle. Get a good angle. Someone make sure it's connect. Me want to make sure it's connect like Connect 4. Remember the boss done to the body star 9 already, you know, don't ramp.
Teddy. Walking down, get a good angle, then I get Shelly. See me on TV, I'm still trying to pattern up shirts and telly. If we don't see eye to eye, don't try patch it. I like Nelly, I walk with the wicked drilliers. It's got a whole 6 in minimum. Bro caught head back, brilliant.
Hold on there, wait, what you want?
I'm still trying to pattern up shirts and telly. If we don't see eye to eye, don't try patch it. I like Nelly, I walk with the wicked drilliers. It's got a whole 6 in minimum. Bro
6 minimum.
caught head back, brilliant. They need 3 get backs minimum. Double R with the stars on the roof. Next star in the coupe. Me and P try tape it twice. Rules in a jarring mood.
Pombo clot.
I'm a smiley guy, but sometimes just fuck off. I just wanna count.
Him got Bombo clot. No to blood clot. No. Chip again. Let's go.
I'm a smiley guy, but sometimes just fuck off. I just wanna count these racks and fuck off. All in my comments just asking me dumb shit. What do I think of their albums? Fuck off.
Yeah. I'm a smiley guy, but fuck. Sometimes I just want to say, just fuck off. Wanna fuck off. Next thing. I'm in the comment section and now ask me about what I think of them album. Fuck off. Fuck off.
I'm a smiley guy, but sometimes just fuck off. I just wanna count these racks and fuck off. All in my comments just asking me dumb shit. What do I think of their albums? Fuck off. You don't fuck with my gang, well guess what? We don't fuck with yours either. Fuck off. Middle finger when I post a pic. I'm trying to live and leave a legacy, then fuck off.
I'm trying to live and then post a leg. Yo, they're the blood clam boss.
Just asking me dumb shit. What do I think of their albums? Fuck off. You don't fuck with my gang, well guess what? We don't fuck with yours either. Fuck off. Middle finger when I post a pic. I'm trying to live and leave a legacy, then fuck off.
Nah. Chip, move your bumbo clap, Chip.
Real quick, check out.
Top eyes, me don't want to check out nothing. Suck your mama pussy. Listen to me before me get dark in this blood clot for my head, Chip. Chip, we are do better. Where the song them there? We need more. Chip, you make my head hurt me, brother. You make my head hurt me. No, I gotta ask a question here. We just got 4 verse. Which verse was the baddest verse in your eye? Yeah? Which verse was the baddest verse in your eye? Cause Chip has been in the game over a decade, well over a decade, brother. And Chip bars them fresh like water him roll out clean as him heart. Brother. The UK have talent. The UK have talent, brother. You see me? Real rappers me I talk about. Real rappers, brother. Yo, bro. Yo, who take this? Not even who take this. Who are the better verse for you? What the better verse for you? It's not a comparison because the song bad. The song bad. This is a win. Win. 4 wins. So, but me just want to know who is your favorite pan this. Who take this? You see me? Yeah. Alright, so anyway, this is my leave the one still. If you enjoyed that one and you want to see more, leave a like on the video, subscribe around there if you are new, and I will see you in the next one.